Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. So you want to learn the song Streets of London? No, this is not Ralph McTell's legendary song from 1969. No. This is Zach Bryan's Streets of London. Much easier, 4 chords only. Let's go into it. And as you can see, cape on first, absolute best scenario for us. Let's go over the chords, and we're going to start with D. Okay, D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is G, as in Gordon, guitar of course. Anyway, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have B minor next, that's a bar chord. So you place index finger on the second fret, you push down 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add fourth on D string, fourth on G, and third on B. And finally we have the C chord. We're gonna add a G note as well, so it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and the added third E. Alright, so there you have it, and I'm just gonna show you the C add chord as well if you think this is a little bit too hard to grip, and then you have the choice of the C add version. It's very similar to the G, that's the reason for maybe if you want to play as easy as possible. I actually believe to play C with this add note, but you can go with C add 9, doesn't hurt at all really. So it goes third A, second D, open G, third B, and third E. And then you have the fingers completely different in the shape of the G, but you just go down with the bass strings, okay? 1 string down. So that's 2 options of the C. Now, let's go into the strumming, and we have 2-part strumming here. So we're gonna play the D as the first chord, so grab that one. 1 full round, both parts sounds like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so it's down, 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 up, and then up, down, up. That's the first part, so. And then immediately comes the second part, and that is played down, up, down, up. So if you combine the 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. A couple rounds. So there we have it. Now let's play the song, and we have pretty much one playing that goes round and round through the entire song, and that is to play D part 1. That means down, 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 up, down, up, and then you shift to G and play part 2, the down, up, and then you end with D, play 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. That portion you play for 2 rounds. Let's start with that. So D, G, D. Again. And then you have the final parts of this kind of corporation. It goes B minor, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2. Then you have the G, 1 full round, either if you go with this G with the added G note there or just a C add. So you play B minor 1, and then C1, and then you stay on the C and play down, 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 up, and then you go to G and play down, 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 up, and that's it. So to go back again, you're gonna play B minor 1, then C1, then you stay with C and play down, down, up, and then G, down, down, up, and then you go back and play again the same D part 1, G part 2, and D 1 full round, and you just roll that. So I want to play one full round of this so you understand how it goes, and I'm going to go into a second round as well so you understand how it just flows, rolls. So let's go. Guys, played 2 rounds for you. You're gonna continue that from the beginning till the very end, and that is how you handle Streets of London. So thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for watching these tutorials, and yeah, I hope you learned anything from this. Good luck with this song, and yeah, as always, play tuned.